Namaste. Hello everyone. Welcome to Mysticistus. How are you all? Hope you are all doing good. Stay safe. In this video, I wish to share with you some information about the angel numbers. I'm sure you must have seen these at least once in your life. Most of us ignore them as we don't know their meanings and often find it silly. It is believed that angel numbers are a repetitive sequence of numbers that carry some hidden messages from angels, and we should decode it based on the numbers we see. The numbers can be of many combinations. For example, 666, 111, 1234, 1010, etc. Sometimes it can be purely single numbers. They carry significant meanings. These are grouped according to the messages they carry. For example, the group of angel warning numbers is to let you know that there is something you need to change or avoid in your life. So, how can you identify these numbers? The first step is learning how to interpret the angel numbers. For this, you have to know where to look for them. In most of the cases, they appear on clocks, doors, flyers, letters, license plates of vehicles, or in dreams. They can also be communicated through a number of objects rather than a printed object. For example, if you notice that you keep getting 6 mails in your Gmail every day, this can be a message from angel. It may seem confusing at first, but once you understand their meanings, it can guide you during various phases of your life. Today, I'll focus only on the single number group in this video. This is a vast subject and has a lot of combinations to unlock. So I am sharing with you only the common ones in this video and not going much deeper into it. So let us see a few common ones now. Let us begin with number 1. It can be like 11, 111, 1111, etc. It indicates the time for a new beginning or a change in your life. You need to believe in your ability to succeed, and you will frequently see this number when it is the right time in your life to begin a new venture, to something like maybe a new job. It tells you to stay positive and go ahead with confidence. Next is number 2. It can be like 22, 222, 2222, etc. It is to remind you not to give up on something you really want, and is telling you that your patience and persistence are about to be rewarded. Next is number 3. As I said, it can be like 33, 333, 3333, etc. Repeatedly seeing the repeating sequence of number 3 tells you that you are holding back something that needs to be let out. Sometimes this might be a truth you should tell to someone. It can also be something that you are hesitated to do. It is all about facing things. It comes as a warning that you need to open up to a particular person in your life, or maybe you need to embrace a job or a project which you were reluctant to do. Next is number 4. It can be like 44, 444, 4444, etc. It indicates that you are being tested by the universe. It is to let you know that challenges are coming in your way. This may be a sign that you should prepare yourself and think about what you need to do for overcoming these challenges and how you should face these challenges for executing a smooth life. Next is number 5. It can be like 55, 555, 5555, etc. It pops up when you need to change your circumstances in order to overcome something negative. For example, you may see this type of number sequence when you are in a depressing relationship or friendship, or when you have grown to dislike your current job, etc. Angels are telling you to cut the ties and move on. Accept the change even though it seems scary to you at first. Next is number 6. This can be 66, 666, 6666, etc. This is mostly shown when you are sad because of something or someone in some way. Angel sequences involving repetitions of number 6 are messages telling you that you are beautiful and you have to take care of yourself. Don't worry too much for others and focus on your inner peace. Next is number 7. This can be 77, 777, 7777, etc. Sequences of multiple sevens are mostly related to your life choices. This also shows a decrease in your spiritual growth. They let you know that you may currently be vibrating on a low frequency and are becoming more pessimistic. So you have to reconsider your thoughts and try to focus on the bright side of life. Next is number 8. It can be 88, 888, 8888, etc. It is an indication that you should stop taking all the responsibilities and burdens on your shoulders. Instead, you should focus only on the ones that really need your attention. Next is number 9. It can be 99, 999, 9999, etc. This mostly indicates a loss. It can be personal or professional. Sometimes it simply conveys a message to show your transition into a new phase of your life. So finally, it is number 0. It can be 00, 000, 0000, etc. It represents infinity. It can be seen when you're doing something which adds a value to your life or when you're living a deeply spiritual life. You can take it as a sign that you should keep doing what you're doing and your life will bring more joy and success. So of course, angel number sequences don't always contain repetition of the same numbers which I have listed right now. You should also know the meanings of some of the most significant mixed sequences too. If you want, I'll share it in another video. So please do comment down below and let me know. So that was for today's video. Until we meet again, peace out.